in dollars. I'm not sure if I've converted the other coins correctly into dollars. Maybe you can help me out.
If you can make it worth my while.
Okay, then. I've got 3 problems to clear up.
Fire away.
Right. How many dollars are there in a gold sovereign?
I'd say 21 at a guess.
Are you sure you know what you're talking about?
I guess I'd better go and work on my currency units, eh?
What do they teach you in schools these days?
At least I know that ironmongering is a dead-end job with no future. Hello again.
Have you come to help me out with my figures?
As a matter of fact, I have, you lucky old dog.
Okay, then. I've got 3 problems to clear up.
Fire away.
Right. How many dollars are there in a gold sovereign?
I reckon 15.
That's what I thought.
What's next?
What's 16 groats in dollars?
Exactly $1.
I got that too. I've only got one more to ask.
I can hardly wait.
How many gold sovereigns in a royal crest?
3, I reckon.
I agree with you there as well. Looks like I never needed your help after all.
Where's my reward, then?
You can have this left-handed crowbar, I suppose.
Thanks a bundle. There's a bit of edutainment for you.